My name's Tom and I'm going to show you a quick experiment that you can do at home. All you need is 2 bottles and some sort of method of joining them in the middle. You can use glue, I have used tape. You also want to try and reduce the diameter of the neck. So what I have done is placed a piece of tape over the hole and cut a small hole. A pea-sized hole is perfect. If you are very careful with parental supervision, you can take the screw cap and drill a hole in the screw cap, which will work a little bit better. You need to also fill the bottom bottle about 2/3 of the way with water. Okay, we're ready to try the experiment. So, flip it upside down, and you may have seen a few drops of water fall into this bottle, a few bubbles going up, but overall the water is staying in this bottle and the air has stayed in this bottle. So why is that? Well, water has an excellent surface tension. Water molecules like to stay together. So the water that's next to the hole is all clinging very tightly and the air is pushing against that surface. And at the moment, they cannot get past each other. The air cannot get past the water cannot get past the air. So how do we make the water move from this bottle into this bottle and the air move from this bottle into this bottle? So there we have it. By spinning the top bottle, we created a really nice vortex which allowed the water to flow from this bottle to this bottle and the air to go up into this bottle. Vortices are found throughout nature. Tornadoes, we get them in hurricanes, we get them as we pull the plug and we see water going down the drain. So how does a vortex work? How does it sustain itself? By spinning the top of the bottle, we pushed all the water to the outside. And so now there's more weight of water on the outside, so the water on the outside of the hole has a bit more force pushing down on it. So it drips into this bottle and takes up some of the space in this bottle. So the air's lost some space, its pressure increases, and it tries to flow into this bottle. And the most effective way is to go through the thinnest part of water. The thinnest part of water is in the middle, because most of the water has been pushed to the outside. So a little bit of air comes up to this bottle and takes up the space in the top, and that creates more pressure on the water. So a little bit more water drops into this bottle, and a little bit more air goes into this bottle. Eventually, we end up with a tube of air going straight up the center, and that helps push the water down with a bit more force. And as the water's spinning down, as it gets into this part of the tube, it spins faster and faster and faster because the tube gets narrower. So imagine a figure skater. They normally pull their arms in to spin faster. Or imagine a diver in the Olympics. They usually tuck their legs in really tight and it speeds up the rate of rotation. So as the water comes into this bottle, it spins faster and faster and faster. And that acceleration keeps the water, the rest of the water, by friction, keeps it spinning in the same direction. So that allows the water to flow into this bottle and the air to flow up the middle of the vortex into this bottle. They don't get in each other's ways. I hope you've enjoyed this video and I hope you'll try the experiment at home. Thanks for watching.